We're in a little orphanage. There's 11 little girls here. Hi, I'm Doug Timothy. We're down here in Cusco, Peru with Eagle Condor.
Los voluntarios han venido.
Our kids learn their names.
Mi nombre es Reina. Yo soy Melissa.
That's the one Spanish phrase they probably know is, "What's your name?"
Hello, mi nombre es Miriam.
Pretty soon they're joking with each other, and it was fun that they don't even have to know the language to know whatever it is funny, you know.
Smile. There we go. That's better.
We played volleyball with them today, and it's been wonderful. You know, you come together, and for the most part, we don't know each other. None of the kids know each other. But it only takes one or two of them to be outgoing and to start engaging people, and all of a sudden, it's like your best friends. There's not one person in our group who hasn't had a real personal connection with the people here.
Comimos los palitos de polvito, de chicle, mango, naranja, mandarina, de todo. Nos caen bien. Quiero que vengan para la próxima semana para jugar más.
One little girl from Utah, she's 6 years old. She heard we were coming, and so she made molds of soap with like flowers and dinosaurs and cars.
Anything that we can give them helps, and they're very gracious. They're very appreciative.
Yo agradezco a la niña Evelyn por habernos dado los jaboncillos y también gracias a ustedes que nos han regalado tantas cosas por pensar en nosotros. Gracias.
It makes you feel good about like yourself and others.
It's not what I expected it to be, but it's like past my expectations.
Yeah. What you don't realize is how connected you can be with other people that you don't know and that you've never spent time with. Portions of your heart open up. It changes you for the better.
It really bears getting to know somebody, taking time and finding that real individual worth, that real value of the worth of a soul.